Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale cloud computing with AWS, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your business requirements. Identify the specific workloads that you want to migrate to the cloud. Evaluate the current infrastructure and determine its scalability limitations. Familiarize yourself with AWS core services such as EC2, S3, and RDS. Set up an AWS account if you haven't done so already. Use the AWS Management Console to get a feel for the dashboard and available services. Begin by organizing your resources into projects or applications. Utilize Amazon VPC to create isolated networks for enhanced security. Launch EC2 instances to deploy your applications. Select the right instance types based on your compute, memory, and storage needs. Implement elastic load balancing to distribute incoming traffic efficiently. Leverage auto-scaling to automatically adjust capacity based on traffic demands. Store your data in Amazon S3 for scalable and secure object storage. Consider using Amazon RDS for managed database services. Monitor your costs using AWS Cost Explorer for effective budget management. Utilize AWS CloudFormation to automate resource provisioning. Deploy applications using AWS Elastic Beanstalk for easy management. Ensure security by setting up IAM roles and policies to control access. Integrate AWS CloudTrail for governance and compliance tracking. Make use of AWS Lambda for serverless computing to run code without provisioning servers. Experiment with AWS Glue for ETL and data integration tasks. Use Amazon CloudWatch to monitor application performance and resource utilization. Establish a backup strategy using AWS Backup or snapshots. Review your architecture regularly and optimize based on usage patterns. Prepare for disaster recovery with multi-region deployments. Engage with the AWS well-architected framework to assess your architecture. Scale your team's skills with AWS training and certification resources. Consider AWS Marketplace for third-party tools to enhance functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.